everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to hide some threads. So you're going to take your needle. Now I'm using a crafting needle, and I use a crafting needle because the point is a bit sharp, and I prefer that so that I can really get through that yarn easily. Then we're going to thread the needle. Now I always put my fingers to the front of my work. Okay, so my fingers are at the front, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through a few of those back loops. Okay, pull through, then pull nice and tight, and then I'm going to go, see how my working yarn is coming out here? I'm going to go a bit behind it, and then I'm going to go a bit past. So a bit behind and a bit past. This is called a back stitch, and I'm going to do that a few times. And this is how we hide our yarn ends without knots. So you do that for a few times, cut your yarn, and that, my friends, is how you weave in your yarn ends. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye now.